Shane? Did you hear that? Can you tell me what your name is, please? Steven. Sound like Steven. Say monkey? For barking? Are there any spirits here with us? Yeah, did you hear that?
Should we record or no, it's only the camera.
Can you tell me how many spirits are here with us today? Are there any spirits here with us tonight? Yeah. Yeah. Someone gets killed in the last. Did you die on this property? Yeah. A minute. You said hi. Hello, is there any spirits here with me? Can you say your name, please? Did you say my name? Did you hear it? Can you say one of our names? No? Are there any spirits here with us? Sure did. Are there any spirits out here with us tonight? It's nasty. How many spirits are here with us tonight? Three. Three. Can you tell me one of your names, please? Gil? Can you tell me how old you are? Did you die somewhere around here? Probably. Yeah. How did you pass away? Car? Broken knee? How did you pass away? Is there something evil on this road? Yep. Is it a demonic spirit? It said bright light. No. Can you see the bright light? Alright, we're gonna head back to our house now. We just did a small investigation and listen back to this audio. Alright, spirits, we're gonna turn this off now. Thank you for talking to us if you did. Goodbye. Demon. Okay, while I was editing my video, right when the word demon comes up near the end, it says that the duration of the text is 6.66 seconds. Yeah, I don't know how to explain that.